Hey, good morning, and so I wanted to post this before I put out my next video. So earlier this last moon, Chinaza or I did an interview with Chinaza and we had gathered together to raise money for the Intoju celebration for her arm. She had broke her arm in an accident, if you guys remember. And I didn't really go into too much detail as far as why I thought it was necessary to do the fundraiser. But when I first reached out to her to do the interview, the cast she had around her arm was turning the rest of her arm purple. And I was telling her, hey, that seems, I'm not a medical expert, but that seems a little too tight. Then she let me know that that's the most she can afford. So I was like, okay, well, I'm going to see if we can do something. I didn't really specify what until the interview itself. But I was really surprised by how much you guys came out. You guys donated. So a lot of you guys donated very sizable sums and were completely anonymous. You put anonymous as your name, which was beyond impressive. So we finally got the money over to Chinaza, and she sent a thank you video to us for the help. She thanked the Medicine Shell community, all the subscribers, people that helped, people that shared the video as well. That was a major contribution, and so I want to go ahead and share what she had sent me earlier this week.
Oh, Cheerfola. My name is Chinaza Igbo Onyegu, and I'm making this video to say a very big thank you to you, Mazi Derek Ofoderemwa, the medicine shells. I want to say a very big thank you to you for the opportunity you granted me on your platform, and even went as far as making people to donate for my treatment. Honestly, I'm not taking this for granted. I'm saying a very big thank you. And I'm saying a biggest thank you because finally the money has reached me. And I'm say to all of you that it touches in the heart that donated, I say may the universe continue to release abundance of blessings and reward you guys more and more and more. I'm very, very grateful. As long as the ocean never runs dry, so shall your pockets never runs dry. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know how to express my gratitude, and honestly, from the depth of my heart, I'm very, very grateful. Mazi Derek Ofoderemwa, the medicine shells. Thank you for the things you do. You're a good man. Asị m gị jide nke iji jisie ike, okike ga-agba gị ume. Asị m ihe ọbụla nwere ike n'ụwa ibi na-esi na ọ na-abịa igbu gị, ya ga-agbuo ndị niile na Sambisa forest. Asatọ ka m na so ibi o, ọ ga-adịrị gị mma. Dịkwara mma ndị niile ahụ o metụrụ n'obi to give. You guys will never lack. Thank you guys. Thank you and thank you and thank you. Me, Chinaza Igbo Onyegu, I'm saying a very, very big thank you. Olu mekelo, ana mekelo, olu mekelo.